Is your bathroom feeling tired, outdated, or just not working for your family anymore? You don't necessarily need a full remodel to make a big change. Let's break down your best bathroom upgrade options, from quick transformations to total makeovers. Hi, I'm Gina, project consultant for Joyce Windows, Sunrooms, and Baths. The reality is, bathroom remodeling isn't just a one-size-fits-all. Depending on your goals, you can choose from a full gut remodel, a bath facelift, or a shower or bathroom area remodel only. The scale of what you will need, of course, vary between person to person, but by having a better understanding of what is covered with each, we hope to help you move your renovation forward. Before we dive into each of the options, let's quickly talk about the most important part of any bathroom renovation, the wet area. In every bathroom, the wet area, your tub or shower, is the true focal point and can be the most labor-intensive part of the process. For these same reasons, it also often the most neglected part of an older bathroom. Because it combines plumbing, waterproofing, and daily wear, it's also the area that's most prone to issues like leaks, mold, and outdated fixtures. From a design standpoint, the wet area sets the tone for the entire bathroom. A sleek walk-in shower or sparkling new tub instantly elevates the look and the feel of the room. From a practical perspective, updating this space improves safety with features like low thresholds, slip-resistant bases, and secure grab bars. By transforming the tub or shower first, you create immediate comfort, style, and peace of mind. And if you choose to phase in additional updates later, you'll already have the most important and impactful piece complete. After all, the wet area is usually about 80% of the cost of doing everything. With that in mind, the first type of renovation that we'll cover is the tub or shower remodel. A wet area upgrade focuses solely on replacing the shower or bath, providing the most significant visual and functional improvement in the shortest time. This level typically includes the removal of the old tub or shower, installation of a new shower or tub system, wall surrounds, plumbing fixture upgrades, such as a new shower head or faucet, and accessories like grab bars or shelving. Because the focus is on the wet area, it's fast, affordable, and often completed in just a few days, typically ranging in price from $9,000 to $15,000. The second type of bathroom renovation is a bath total facelift. This level usually includes a new shower or bath, updated flooring, fresh wall finishes, and replacement of key fixtures such as the vanity, countertop, sink, faucet, toilet, and lighting. What it does not typically cover is major structural work, moving walls, rerouting plumbing pipes, or complete electrical rewiring. It's a smart middle ground. You get a fresh, functional space without the expense of altering the plumbing locations or tearing down walls. It's a good balance between budget and transformation, and usually costs between $12,000 to $20,000. The third and final type of renovation we will cover is a complete bathroom remodel. A full gut remodel is the most extensive option, as it often means you'll be changing the footprint of the bathroom. This level typically includes demolition down to the studs, new plumbing and electrical systems, custom shower or tub installations, new flooring, custom cabinetry, countertops, lighting, ventilation, and any layout changes you desire. It also allows for structural adjustments, such as enlarging the bathroom or reconfiguring adjoining rooms. Because it's a complete overhaul, it requires the most significant investment of time and budget. This option reimagines your space from the ground up, and the cost usually starts around $30,000. Bathroom remodeling doesn't have to be all or nothing. When looking at which route to take, you should take into consideration how much of your bathroom needs renovated, what you hope to gain from the renovation, as well as budget and time restrictions. At Joyce, we focus on what truly makes the most significant difference for your comfort and daily use. Of these options we covered, we proudly offer option 1, shower or bathroom remodel, and option 2, our functional facelift. Our functional facelift upgrades the wet area, flooring, and toilet to create a fresh, functional bathroom without the disruption of a full gut remodel. With our durable signature stone bath products, expert installation, and more than 70 years of experience, we deliver beautiful results that fit your timeline and budget. If you would like to learn more about our bath and shower remodeling services or to book a free in-home consultation, please follow the links below. We've also just added our free bath and shower remodel calculator to our website. Enter some basic details about your shower, your home, and you get an instant estimate, all from the ease of your phone, tablet, or computer. If this has been helpful, and for more content like this, please like and subscribe.